This module visualizes the source sync capabilities of the STEAMiE engine. You can see here as we start the module, it looks like we're looking at a security camera, and the security camera appears to be watching a car. As we begin the simulation, the car drops to the ground, and we can see the car. As I pan the camera backwards, however, we'll notice that I was indeed just looking at a security screen. And if I back up, here you can see that what we were looking at was actually just a monitor. And if I drive the car around, you can see that as the car moves, each of the different screens update differently. And if I visualize the actual cameras that are feeding these, we can see right here that this camera right here, which is always looking at the car, is the source which feeds this sync right up here. And so as the car moves, the camera stays behind the car and watches it, and it projects it onto this screen right here. And for this source right here, or this sync right here, it's fed by this camera right here. You can see that as the camera moves, this rotates to always watch the car following right here, and it feeds this sync right here. And then as for this final source right here, this is actually for the human that's in the world, which I believe is back here. There he is. Yeah. And if we have him walk around, we can see that as he walks around, this camera slowly rotates to watch him, and it feeds it to this sync right here. And a more general framework that we have is we can have anything become, any of the sources can become a texture. So you can see right here, I actually changed the texture of this cube to be fed by the camera that's watching the car. And so, yeah, if we come into the light here, we can see that on the side of the cube, we can see the camera that's watching the car. And so this is a very flexible framework right here that the STEAMiE engine has.